What's up guys, we're back. So in today's video we're gonna install these shadow lights for this Mercedes A220. Let's see if they work and let's see how bright they are, if they are worth it. Let's do it.
A change in the seasons, a change in the wind. When you meet that person, you'll know what is meant by that. Where have you been hiding? So glad that I found someone to circle all the planets around now that I found you.
Okay, so let's open it. Let's see where they go. So these are the lights that we're gonna replace. Let's see if we can see it. So these are the stock ones. Let's see how good these ones are.
I don't want no one else. It's our story to tell.
One thing, the new one, let me show you. I don't know if you can see it here. The plastic on this one is a little bit thicker, and the new one for the clip is smaller, so I don't know if it's gonna hold this one better, but let's check it out. And also the connection, let me show you. On the OEM it's on the side, on the new one is on the top. You can see it like this. Okay, this one is on the top and this one is on the side, but it's the same plug, so it works. The plug works, and then it's a little bit loose. I hope it doesn't make noise. No, it's alright, but it could be better. You can see. Okay, so it's done. So it is working, but you can see this one, the plastic on the side is smaller, so but it's flush. It is flush with this one. You can see the Mercedes. Let's see how it looks at night. You can see it. All right.
A change in the seasons, a change in the wind. When you meet that person, you'll know what is meant by that. Where have you been hiding? So glad that I found someone to circle all the planets around
Okay guys, those are the shadow lights. They are pretty simple to install, just plug and play. The link for this product is gonna be on the description of the video down below. They have a little bit of play because the clip is a little bit shorter than the OEM, but it's still flush and it doesn't move, so I think it is fine. Okay, but let me know what you guys think on the comments. If you like the video, please like the video. Subscribe for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching. God bless you and see you on the next video. Bye.
What's up guys, and this is the giveaway. This time we're gonna do it a little bit different because it's gonna take a little bit more time. Okay, so we're gonna have 3 winners for this giveaway. Okay, and the 3 winners, we're going to announce them on June 30 of this month. Okay, 3 winners on June 30 of this month. Okay, and the first camera we're gonna give is this one over here. That's the first camera. The second camera is this one over here. That's the second camera. And the third camera is this one over here. Okay, so it's gonna be 3 winners for this giveaway. On June 30, we're gonna announce the winners, okay? So the rules are super simple, okay? You have to be subscribed to this channel, Shine Gadget, and you have to put a comment on this video or any of the videos till June 30, okay? You have to like this video or any of the videos till June 30, and on June 30 we're gonna announce the winner of the giveaway. Okay, this one is gonna be amazing. 3 winners, so 1 for each week, but we're gonna announce all 3 on June 30. All right, so thank you for watching. Good luck, guys. Remember, like, subscribe, and put a comment. Okay, and also one more very important thing, this is only for the USA. Sorry about the international subscribers, but this is only for the USA. Okay, thank you for watching. Good luck, God bless you, and see you on the next video.
I found out the gospel isn't really about what I want or what I done. It's way better than the things I set my eyes on. You kept it real with me, you been here since the mile one. Before the world you said I'm destined as your child. So wherever I run, let me walk along the path you put your light on. God, you see behind the faces that I tried on. Yeah, that's why